Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create horizontal and vertical flip boxes. This is the vertical flip box and this one is the horizontal flip box. How to create this vertical flip box and horizontal flip box. Flip effects. How to create this vertical flip box and horizontal flip box. Today in this tutorial I will explain clearly step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay. I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, horizontal and vertical flip boxes. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Here I am creating the local CSS file. Just I am creating the file. I am not to write anything here. Here title is the horizontal and vertical flip boxes. Okay. Here I am write h1. Exhaust on this. How to create horizontal and vertical flip boxes in HTML and CSS. Okay. First of all, I will write the horizontal flip box. H flip box. H flip box. Okay. Next, here I write the div class. Div class. H2 horizontal flip box effects. Over on the box below. You can see the effects. Okay. Horizontal flip box and screen. Horizontal flip box inside. Horizontal flip box backside. Now switching the output. Yeah, this is the horizontal flip box. And next one, I will look at the vertical flip box. three flip box. This is the first one is the horizontal flip box. Second one is the vertical flip box. Over on the box, you can see the effects. Next, I will write the CSS for this. You should see the output. This is the output. Next one, I will write H1, textile and center, padding 20 pixel. Okay, color weight, background color, dark sky blue, border bottom, RBX, solid, BP, 8301. And so we will see the output. Yeah, this is the output. Yeah. Okay. Next, I will write the CSS for adding 10 pixel. Next, H flip box, width 500 pixel, height 200 pixel, border radius suppose 4 pixel. Okay, so we'll see the effects. Yeah, okay. Next, yeah, H flip box. Next, I will write H flip box inner, H flip box inner, position relative, width 100%, height 100%, texture and center, transition transform, style, result 3D. Okay, so you see the output. This is the output. Next, I will write H flip box and H flip box back, position absolute, width 100%, height 100%. Yeah, okay. Back face visibility 10. Okay. Next, I'll write which flipbox front. Color white. Okay. This is the output. Origin of flipbox. Back side. Flipbox back. Transform. $90. Okay. Next, I will write H flipbox. H flipbox over H flipbox and transform. Rotate. Rotate by 180 degrees. Also, we see the output. What is the problem? Backface visibility hidden is correct. Rotate 180 degrees is correct. From two classes is same. This one is the back. So this is the process to write the horizontal flip box. Next I will write the vertical flip box. Vertical flip box. Flip box inner. Flip box inner. Rotate X. I will change the class names only. Flip box back. Everything is same to same. But here rotate X. Horizontal flip box is okay. Vertical flip box is not rotating. is the problem. Vertical flipbox. Vertical flipbox. Over rotate x 180 degrees. V flipbox inner. Okay, flipbox front. And V flipbox back also. Rotate x 180 degrees. Okay. And here. Oh, sorry. V flipbox inner. Okay, yeah, okay. This is the vertical flip box and this one is the horizontal flip box. So guys, this is the process to create the horizontal flip box and vertical flip box effects also. So guys, I hope we all understand how to create horizontal and vertical flip boxes using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SML. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Please like, share my videos. Please support me. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.